Can a man's estrogen get too low? Let's talk about the causes of low estrogen in men and treatment options. Well, testosterone is the dominant male hormone. It can be converted into estradiol using an enzyme called aromatase. This potent estrogen is important in the male body. Estradiol helps regulate sex drive, helps men achieve erections, helps produce sperm, and helps with testicular function. For men, estrogen is important in other ways too. Estrogen helps control cholesterol levels and maintain bone and heart health. Estrogen also affects mood and cognitive function. Estradiol improves gastrointestinal tract function. For an adult male, blood estradiol levels need to be about 10 to 40 nanograms per milliliter. Low levels of estrogen in the male body can produce symptoms: decreased sex drive, excess belly fat, bone loss, hypercholesteremia. And it's been noted that men with cardiovascular disease have lower levels of both testosterone and estrogen. When a man doesn't make enough testosterone, it's called hypogonadism. His estrogen levels can become dangerously low as well. So what's the treatment? Helping the male body make more testosterone starts with supporting the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus controls the production of testosterone from the testes via the hypothalamic pituitary testicular axis. Once a man is able to produce enough testosterone, he can then convert that into an adequate amount of estrogen to maintain cardiovascular health, bone health, sexual health, as well as his fertility. Some men may need testosterone replacement therapy, which is by prescription and needs to be monitored by a certified healthcare provider. In my patients who have hypogonadism, optimizing their hypothalamus function with Genesis Gold can help return their testosterone levels to normal. And oftentimes they don't need to use any testosterone replacement therapy, but it does take time, at least 3 to 6 months. If you have any questions about men and estrogen levels, please join us in our free hormone reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.